Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the power is OFF and applying lockout/tagout. Safety matters because live work risks severe injury. Once safe, verify the switchboard rating against the intended load so breakers and bus bars match voltage, amperage, and phases. You should label each incoming cable and position protective gear next to you. Then make the first physical connections. Secure neutral and earth first, followed by phase conductors, because grounding stabilizes the system before load paths are completed. Once connections are in place, install breakers and bus links following the single-line diagram to preserve circuit logic. This prevents misfeeds. Make sure you torque all terminations to manufacturer specifications because loose lugs cause heating and failures. Next, test continuity and insulation resistance using a multimeter and megger. Verify no shorts and correct phase rotation. Then configure protective devices. Set trip curves and time delays so coordination protects upstream equipment. You finish by performing a staged energization. Apply power to the bus first, observe stability, then energize feeders and finally the loads because gradual startup isolates issues. Once powered, monitor voltages, currents, and temperatures for 15 to 30 minutes to ensure balanced loading and no hot spots. If something goes wrong, unexpected trip, imbalance, or heat, de-energize immediately and recheck torques, phase order, and grounding connections. This troubleshooting step fixes the most common failures and keeps you safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.